Wax Lady got your back, literally. Today we're doing a back wax, and this is just a lower back wax, and my wax model here wants it all gone. So I was like, okay, let's get it. Now, she did request that we use the Bush Beads wax because she loves what she sees when I post content with it, and I was like, why not? It is plugged in, Lego. So I am just keeping control of my stick. You want to get those hairs that grow in the center. Not everyone has hairs that grow in the center, by the way, but that's why you have to use your eyes and your waxing to determine what you're going to do. Now, this is her very first time getting a wax, and I tried to ask her to exfoliate. She didn't have time, but that's fine because we all know Bush Beads is going to give us some results. Like, look at this. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and do my cleanup and get that out the way. Normally, I wait afterwards, but I just wanted a clean slate in the middle. That way, when I do my wax strips on the side, it just makes sense. And nothing's like tugging or pulling on the wax model. It's always about client comfort first. That is what I am about. All right, here we can do a little stack-a-dagger. Since it's a cleanup strip, we want to make sure we get those little breadcrumbs that didn't come up on the first pull. Look how clean that was. And look at this. Oh, yeah, baby. You already know. Bush Beads is the way to go. Now, if you've never tried this wax out and you want to try it out, you can always click the Linktree link in my bio. Go to Bush Bomb, create your free pro account, and get your wax on. You know what it is. Now, this is me doing the side strips, which typically on most people, the hairs grow in this direction. So that's why we like to do that middle part first that I was talking about earlier. So when it's time to remove the lip of the strip, it doesn't hurt your client. So that's always the most strategic way for me to wax someone. I've seen waxers do other ways. There's more than one way to do something, but this is the way from my POV. But yes, we are getting all the fine hairs. We are getting everything, and I love that. You can even see the 2 different shades of color in her skin. Like, come on, Bush Beads. Don't play, okay? Now, low-key, I do enjoy doing a back wax. I'm not gonna lie. I just feel like it allows you to be a kid. Just do big wax strips, go a little crazy, especially when that man comes in with that hairy back. Oh, yeah, you my kind of peoples. This is me right here, not wasting any wax. You guys already know I'm not about that life. If there is still some wet wax on the stick, you want to put it somewhere that you can use it, okay? But she already looking good. You can see the little two-tone where she's getting exfoliated by the wax and where we haven't touched yet. It's looking good. It's all coming together, I'm telling you. And I always have this theory where I say most of the time if the lower back of a female is hairy, then booty cheeks is hairy too. So that's your chance to try to add the service on and see if your client is interested in doing it. If not, just do the lower back and you're good to go. Finishing off her Bush Bomb experience with that sandalwood vanilla scent. You already know Wax Lady still got the oldies in stock, and they're coming back with some, so stay tuned. My girl ready to throw that ass back, baby. Thanks for watching. Bye.